So, what an introduction. Thank you very much. And I feel really privileged being here among tech talent in order to discuss latest innovations. Let's start with why we actually build software. Because again, I hope I can speak for all of you that actually building software is a lot of fun and provides a lot of gratification. In terms of looking at complex problems, in terms of analyzing the situation, in terms of seeing how you can actually solve this, work among each other, using all the new tech, using all the new technology, and in the end, develop something that's tangible and provides a tangible outcome to people around you or the planet or the organization you work in. It's really about helping out each other. It's really about collaboration, using the new technology and using the things to actually move the world further. We need you. We need developers in order to grow the economy, in order to address the world's challenges, which can be climate change, if you think about aging population, if you think about sustainability. Software development is key in order to progress there. So I think it would be fair to say a thank you to all of you, to contribute as a developer to innovation. And here I want to make one key call out to all of you. And the key call out is really use all of the new technology, use all the new tools, iterate, make mistakes, but also learn about it. Because in the end, what makes a good developer a great developer, I really believe it's about the tools that you're using and the way you're applying continuous improvement along the way. One of the first things I want to highlight, Github Copilot. Who of you is using Github Copilot already? Great. And I hope you've experienced how it can actually advance the way you develop software, how it's a companion for coding, how it's a companion that provides you recommendations in terms of coding, learning new things, but also getting new perspectives. And if you're not using GitHub Copilot today, I think it would be really a good thing. Start using it. Start playing around with GitHub Copilot. Test your prompts. See what's coming back. Test the code that's coming out of it. And learn your way. Because in the end, GitHub Copilot is great in terms of increasing your productivity as a developer. And the latest announcements that you may have seen is the Copilot stack. And basically, the way we have developed the Copilots is really in an architectural stack. And now we're making that available to you. The advantage to you in making that available is now you can create your own Copilots. You can create your own plugins using these large language models, using your own data, and running it in your own protected Azure environment. And if you're a developer or if you are a data engineer, I hope you've seen Azure AI Studio announcement. So Azure AI Studio really helps you to make the best out of your prompts to get the outputs that are valuable to you and your organization. And one of the items here is the announcement of Azure AI Safety. You will see a demo later on, but basically what it comes down to is that it provides you the tools to actually make sure that unwholesome content is being filtered out in terms of images and in terms of text. And over here, I want to give the first example, and the first example is from Albert Heijn. So Albert Heijn, as an innovative retailer, recognized the power of generative AI, and they created their own startup, Gen AI Labs. And they already have launched the first application, and the first application, it's called the recipe scanner, and the recipe scanner allows you to use your mobile phone, scan a recipe, and automatically the recipe is translated into Albert Heijn products on your shopping list. You can go shopping and have a smooth shopping experience. And it's available in the Albert Heijn app. So what Heineken has done, they've already started a chatbot. They made it available internally. And the employees of Heineken love using the chatbot, and a lot of new ideas have come up in terms of, hey, what are the next possibilities in terms of using these technologies? And Heineken is currently looking into developing new applications using AI and these large language models. So with that, I'm actually happy to see what you're going to build using all of these new technologies. I want to thank the 3 customers for allowing me to share these on stage. And with that, I'd like to all of us to look at the video from Satya, where basically he's giving a summary of build. So I want to thank you for your attention.